Potato wedges are marinated together with lemon juice, olive oil, stock, salt and pepper, and then they're roasted in the oven to perfection. Hi everyone, welcome back to Cravings Food Adventures. I'm Karen. Today I'm going to show you how to make a very simple and delicious Greek-style lemon potatoes. These potatoes are soft on the inside and crunchy on the outside, and they're packed with delicious flavor that comes from the lemon, the olive oil, and the garlic. You are going to want to double and triple this batch. Before I go any further with this recipe, do make sure you subscribe to my channel and make sure to ring that bell to be notified every time I upload a new video. Now let's get cooking. I have 1 pound of Yukon gold potatoes here, and I've already peeled them and I set them in water so they don't brown. The starchier the potatoes, the better. Now I'm quickly going to cut these into wedges. Depending on the size of the potato, I will divide it accordingly. I'm adding these to my roasting tray. It's important that you have a nice heavy-duty tray for this process, as this can sit in the oven for over an hour. Now that the potatoes are all cut into wedges, I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of olive oil, the juice of half a lemon. My lemons are rather large. This is about 50 ml. I'm also going to add 3 teaspoons of fresh crushed garlic, salt and pepper to taste, 1 tablespoon of oregano. I'm also going to pour over 3/4 of a cup of chicken or veggie stock. I'm going to allow these potatoes to cook in my preheated oven at 350 degrees for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, I'm just going to turn them over and I'm going to cook them for another 25 minutes. After 25 minutes, the potatoes are cooked, but they're a long way from getting brown and crispy. So we now need to remove most of the liquid and keep it aside. Return the potatoes to the oven, and now I'm going to cook them for another 30 to 40 minutes. I'm going to flip them at intervals. Add some oil to the liquid if you feel you need a bit more moisture. A word of warning, these potatoes go really quickly, so you may want to double or triple this recipe. Thank you so much for joining me on Cravings Food Adventures. I hope you enjoyed this delicious recipe for Greek lemon potatoes. This is great served with a roast or turkey or really anything that you want to serve it with. Your family and friends are going to love this recipe. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and make sure that you've rung the bell to be notified every time I upload a new video. And leave me a comment, like this video, and share it with your family and friends. And don't forget to follow me behind the scenes on all of my social channels. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter. Until I see you next time, do take care. Bye. And ring the bell to ring the doorbell. I was going to say ring the doorbell.